Yeah, shop hours.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode on the Shop Hour series. What are we doing today, guys?
All right, we have our old reliable charity is what John's named this card because everything's on here was donated, just like our time right now to help put this work into it. But this is our buddy John's card. If you've been to any of our meets, on you where to park usually. But he has this really, I don't know if nice is the word, but complete's probably the word I'm going for. 2000 EK Civic, and we're going to be doing some suspension work to it today. And maybe you guys can come take a look and see how it works out.
Yeah, the good thing about this, you know, like every other project, all projects start somewhere, and this is where it starts. And we're pretty excited. We got a couple of suspension parts from Hardrace, and also coilovers from
they're from Velocity Shop. They're function form type 2s. They're off of my old DA, donated to John. So we had to do, I also had to donate the front forks to accommodate the EKs because it doesn't really line up for it, but we got everything we need.
Yeah, it should take us a couple of hours, and then after that we'll do a 4-wheel alignment.
Maybe. It all depends how John pays. He doesn't pay very
Let's get right to it.
All right.
Yeah, they ain't gonna do nothing for this. Yeah, ready that.
All right, so here's the new Hardrace upper front control arm camber kit. This is the old one. You can see the construction on it. You know, they have upgraded rubbers in here. It's fully adjustable right there. And this is gonna help when we lower the car, bring the camber out so we don't have horrible tire wear. Let's put it in now. Oh yeah! It's that time, Mike. Have a little cafecito.
Let's do it.
Hey, cheers! Alright, that's good. We're all over.
got, John?
All right, so we got everything installed, but when we lower the car, it throws the camber off. So what we're gonna do now is adjust the Hardrace kit. We're gonna set it to the factory specs. When we adjusted initially, we actually had it positive camber. The wheel was tipping out at the side, so we're gonna knock it down to the factory spec, which I believe is around 1 degree. Is that what it is?
-1, yeah.
-1, and that's where we're at right now.
All right, so the back looking good. What we got for the front?
So the front, our camber, we just eyeballed it. That's money. We're not going to touch it. But you could see by lowering it, it definitely threw the toe way out. So we got the back end spec all greens, baby. That ain't bad for an old car like John's here. But now we're going to get this toe lined up. 1, 2, 3, this thing will be on the road. We won't be going anywhere fast, but at least it'll look a little better, maybe.
The functional foam Type 2 and the Hardrace camber kit did exactly what we needed on a Honda Civic. What do you think, John?
I think everything worked out real good. We got everything adjusted in just right. Everything to the factory spec. Toes, cambers, everything's good to go. I think this car is ready for the owner here.
Yes,
what do you think about it?
It looks perfect. It looks great. Way better than it did before.
Yeah, it's not so dumpy.
Yeah, it's not.
So what plan do you have?
I'm actually doing a full interior restoration. I'm also gonna do rear brakes,
Disc
conversion, and I'm also gonna be doing a couple more goodies because I got some good wheels for this car, especially the paint needs to get done all over again.
I think it gives it personality the way it is.
Yeah, it does, but you know, charity has to be looking good out in the scene.
Well, there'll be so much more to come to our channel. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you on the next one.